This is the box of Meta Quest 3 128 GB. I actually got this from US. Inside the box, you can see here we get the Meta Quest 3 headset, standard facial interface, two Meta Quest touchpad plus controllers, two wrist straps that are pre-installed, power adapter, charging cable, and two AA batteries. Same thing mentioned here, I think in Spanish. I think this is Spanish language, and I don't know. There's a QR code here. On this side, we get some QR codes and a warning, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's open it up. So how do you open it? You put the box here and then you separate this part. Just want to mention, I actually did open it once. So this is the Meta Quest 3 box. It's a cardboard box, nothing much here. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. So when you open the box, this is what you see. Two controllers, and this is the headset itself, and then rest of the accessories. Let's pull up the controller. If you want to access your batteries, just press here. Here's the battery, and then you can just close it. Let's pull the other controller. This is the other controller. These are the two controllers, and the headset itself has this strap pre-installed. We'll look at the headset in a moment. Let's just first see what we get in this box. In this box, if you open it up, you would see that there's this cable. This is the charging cable, and then there's the power adapter. Then you get a few booklets here from Meta. A little bit information about the controllers, etc., and the headset and how it works. I don't think we need it. Let's just put these here. Close this. Put it here. Move everything aside. Let's look at the Meta Quest 3. So this is the front side. A few cameras here. This is the sensor. It actually detects the depth sensor. I think that's what you call it. On this side, you get a few cameras here. One is on this side. One is on this side. This is the power button. And then on this side, you get the IPD adjustment. This is the volume button, and I think this is for the charging dock. So you can charge with this. Funny thing, if I move it, I can see it changes the color in the camera. I don't know why that happens, but anyways. On this side, you get this protective cardboard type thing. Let's remove it, and then you get the lenses here, the precious Meta lenses, and also the head strap. You adjust the head strap, and it starts working. I'm yet to test it out. I don't think that a lot of people have unboxed this or used this product in Pakistan. I'm in Pakistan. I'll be using it for the first time, and I'll share my reactions with you guys. I'll tell you how it is and how it works and all. By the way, this is the headphone jack. I forgot to show you earlier. And this is the charging jack, that's what you would call it. And these are the earphones. These help you listen to the audio, the immersive spatial audio. I don't know where the mic is. Let me see. I can't see the mic. Oh, the mic is over here on the sensor. I don't know if you can see it. If I place it like this, you would be able to see it. This is the mic. I'll be using this product for the first time, and I'll share my thoughts with you after using this product. In the next video, I'll share some video footage as well that I'm going to record within the headset itself. For now, I'm going to charge it because it's not charged yet, and then I'm going to put it on. I'll update the firmware. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to see more Meta Quest related content, I'm going to be posting that on my channel. I'm very excited to play cricket on this as well and a few other games. So if you want to watch those, do subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.